I'm here with Pam Bonaguide of Wayland, Massachusetts, and her piece, 9 of Lace. Welcome to Art on the Trails number 9, Pam. Thanks for joining us this year. Tell us about your work.
Well, I am thrilled to be here this year with the very sacred, important number of 9. And my piece is actually 9 pieces of vintage and antique lace that I've concreted. And I wanted people to see them, maybe for the first time, how beautiful they are. And the light flows through them and the wind blows them. And you can actually see the trees, the green of the trees behind them. I wanted you to see how they're transformed from the lace that they were to these beautiful pieces to be seen again. I hope people enjoy them because they love to be here and love to be out.